The origins of this pool's functional design had actually started a little over a month ago with a visit to my mates at Swimart.
Jordan.
Hey Chris, how are you?
Yeah, good mate.
Good to see you, mate.
Building a pool, as you know.
Yes.
What are we going to need?
Well, look, come this way, mate.
The keys to great pool design at the surface might be looks, but when you delve a little deeper, it's those clever homeowners that focus their attention on high quality equipment which pays the greatest dividends with their pool investment.
Look, this is what I'd recommend for your pool, mate. This is the Eco sand filter. It's a fiberglass filter. And then we've got the glass filtration media. The glass filtration filters very, very fine, so you're getting better water clarity, and it will work really well with the magnesium that we're going to put in your pool.
It's this enhanced water clarity with this eco-friendly pool equipment that will help us to create a water-efficient and energy-efficient pool with less chemicals too, which will not only help us save the environment, but it will also help us save money and maintenance time too.
So we've got our filter.
Yep.
We've got our chlorinator.
Yes.
We've got our pump.
Yep.
What about automation?
Yeah, look, come over here, mate.
With the other big ticket items these days being pool automation, the most important of these is all about keeping your pool chemically balanced and water perfect all year round.
This is what we're going to put in your place. So this is a ChemFlow Plus by Waterco. What this does, it uses a probe here, and that probe tests the water. What it tests for is your pH level and also ORP. So essentially what ORP is managing your chlorine level in the pool. So it's managing how effective that chlorine is in the pool at that particular time.
So it's taking a sample?
Yep, all the time. Every 2 seconds, it tests the water. While the system's running, it's testing the water and adjusting.
The other major investment for us will be in extending the life of the swimming season, especially in the cold Melbourne months. And it's this Electro heater that will work in unison with our Zane solar heating panels that together will keep us paddling for most of the year.
Solar in Victoria has naturally been the most popular, but now you're getting things like heat pumps. Electro heat pumps are very, very efficient, and gas heating systems. So you've got a few different options there to heat the pool, heat the water so you can extend the season for you and your family.
Above all though, the biggest factor for any family swimming pool is always pool safety. Tragically, 15 Australian children on average drown in backyard swimming pools each and every year. The ongoing awareness campaign by charities and the industry at large has never been so critically important to help prevent the unimaginable happening.
For every one fatal drowning incident, there are another 8 non-fatal incidents where the child requires hospitalisation, and they may have long-term brain injury and long-term effects and require 24-hour care. It's important to make sure that your pool fence is compliant with the Australian standards, and that will help from a safety perspective. But a key factor involved in many of these incidents where a child drowns is when they're not being supervised properly.
With constant and active supervision the number one life-saving tool, other important tips like removing attractive toys from sight, keeping pool gates closed, teaching your children water familiarisation, and even learning CPR in case of emergencies all help to create an Australia where no more children need be taken from their families. And this world far too soon.
Ideally, we would like to see a zero drowning toll in Australia so that children can learn how to be safe around the water and enjoy the water but do it safely.
Back on site and with the last of the soil and sand being lifted away, our Waterco delivery arrives ready for our plumbers. And it's these pipes that will kick off the pre-concrete plumbing. For more information about this series, visit www.topproperty.tv.